This is the highly rated WEWE kitchen faucet 4.8 star review on Amazon at affordable price, about $60. But that looks like those premium faucet that costs in the $100. So I'm gonna do unboxing and setup of this kitchen faucet today for you guys. So please watch until the end for step-by-step instructions on how to install this. The link to buy this kitchen faucet is in the video description. So I just took out the faucet right here and we're gonna replace with a highly rated on Amazon, about 42,000 4.8 star review. So this is what it looks like inside this box. There's an installation instruction right here, pretty straightforward. Just pass the tube through and then add weight and then tighten the bolt, and that's the content right here. So we have brush stainless steel right here, that's the weight right here. And this one, if you have a 3 sink hole, if you don't, just use one only, don't need to use this plate. And this one is to tighten the bottom of it, so pretty easy, nothing too complicated here. And so here you go. So today we're gonna be replacing this faucet that came with the house right here. It's been leaking, so and it's not that great either. It's kind of like short, and this one is a little bit taller, so we're gonna be replacing with this. And this one can pull out, can swivel, and it has you know, spray and just water. And then this one is to pause it, and so it has really good reviews and it's affordable. It's only about $60 on Amazon, and you just pass through the tube right here like that, just like that. Pretty straightforward, and depending on where you want to face, right here, the handle right here, so I like to have it on the side, so you can have it in the front as well. And yeah, so look at that. It's much better controls because it's stiffer than the other one. Pretty fancy, but the good thing is it has good customer support and review. So it has the WEWE brand right here on the side, as you can see. And you know, it's pretty stiff, so it's nice. The build quality is pretty nice, and I like this where you can control in front. Some of them are on the back, so you can really see. You have to like memorize. Well, you can have it like this as well, you know, so it looks better. Let's install this. All right, so the hose came out down here, as you can see. We took out the hose and we push the hose through, and it's down here. So now what we need is the rubber gasket right here. So that's a nut and gasket on the top. That's how it looks like. Oops. And so that's how it looks like. So this one, and then after that, that's, you need to follow this order. So that's the steel, and then the rubber is gonna go against the sink on the top, and we're gonna go and screw this. And this is pretty good design. You know, you screw it up, it's pretty easy, so you don't need any extra tools. So now what we're gonna do is, you see the hose that came from the top right here. That's the hose right here. We wanna actually put this nut inside the hose. So we're gonna place this nut right here. So follow these exact orders, at rubber and then steel, and then we're gonna go inside these holes right here. We're gonna go through, and then we're gonna put the weight inside too. That's the hose right here. It's gonna go inside as well. All right, we try to put these inside and then run through these, so they're gonna go through just like that. Push them and then pull it. All right, so they're gonna be inside, and we're gonna push through way to the top right here. As you can see, I'm gonna show you. We're gonna run through where this top right here. So we're gonna push it through right here, and then go up, and we're gonna screw on the top right here. Just so you don't need any extra tools, which is great. This is a great design. So you're just saving so much time. If you don't have the right tools, you have to go buy. So tighten it until it's really tight. More. Okay, so it's kind of tight. I'll show you at the top. So depending on your handle, sometimes you want it in the front like this. You can have in the front as well, and you can have it on the side. So I'm gonna have it on the side. It looks nicer on the side, so I'm gonna have it on the side. So I'm gonna hold this position and screw on the bottom, so it's gonna be fixed and not moving. In the correct position, so on the right side. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna attach the hot and cold water. So the blue right here is the cold water and the hot water is on this side. And we're gonna attach the weight as well. So what you want to do is you want to connect the hot and cold water. So we want to flush out any debris from the right here, the hot and cold water. So when we want to do that, we want to have like a retaining bowl so you can retain water and flush out any debris. So let's unscrew this right here that is holding the hose together. So we're gonna let's attach the hot water right now. And the hot water is red, so attach it right here. So screw it by hand, and then we're gonna tighten it, not too tight. So it's tight now, and you use a wrench. You have a wrench right here, and let's do it so clockwise in order to tighten it, just like this. So not too tight, right? It's just enough. Don't like over tighten it. So now let's connect the cold water. So that's the blue hose right here, and just screw it by hand. Put the cold water right here. And then we're gonna use a wrench, tighten it a little bit more. Just like that. So now that we already attached the cold and hot water hose, all we need to do is to attach here the weight. So you want to see the marking right here. That's where you attach the weight that come with the package. So the weight is right here. It can like open. So we're gonna open it up like this. So that's the weight right here, and we're gonna take it. I'm gonna put it right here. And we want to attach right here at the right spot, and you're gonna close it just like that, and it should be attached now. Yeah, so it should be attached, and that's it. And this is gonna be able to when you pull the sprayer out, it's gonna pull back down. And so let's test it out. So that's it. The installation is pretty straightforward. So now we're gonna turn on the water. So the same parallel as the hose, that means you are allowing water, so it's opening the water, and the hot water as well. Right, it looks pretty cool. So we're gonna turn on the water. So cool. Let's test the water right here. All right, I have a sticker right here. So right, so now we can turn this back so it's not visible. It looks nicer on the back. And we're gonna turn on the water just like this, and you're gonna, oh, it's pretty powerful actually, the spray. So you put it, as you can see, that's the head right here, and it looks pretty powerful. So there's a filter right here that you have to clean. You can take this off right here by unscrewing. So you have to clean it every month. That's what it says in the manual. And there's actually a small right here net right here that you have to clean. I don't know if you can see it right here. There's a net right here. So you have to clean this, take it out, because this one is actually holding all the debris, so it's not gonna clog up. So it's pretty nice design. Yeah, so it's pretty cool, as you can see. Really nice right here. And then I'm gonna switch right here to the water. You can see, you can spray around like this. And notice this is swiveling. This is, it's such a cool design. You can like it's like dancing around. Hot water is coming out, so you can adjust the temperature by, you know, moving backward and forward. I think backward is hot water. Oh no, cold water is backward. Hot water is forward. Yeah, hot water is forward, and more pressure you pull like to the right and left. So a lot of spray is pretty powerful. Cold water on the back. Nice design, so it's not moving at all, so it's pretty cool. You can pull this and then, you know, you can spray around like this. Yeah, that's how long you can spray. Wow, you can pull this side, you can spray around like this, and it's gonna retract by itself. Let's see if it retracts. So something is blocking the weight here at the bottom, I think. So if it's not retracting well, as you can see, I'm gonna pull this up. It's gonna go up, but then when I go back down, so it's resting on this right here. So that's why it's not fully retracted. And you want to fix this by, you know, putting something to the side right here, so the weight, when it comes down and goes up, there's nothing that is blocking the weight right here, and that's how you fix the retraction. But otherwise, let's see, let's do the water right here. I'm gonna pause it. So pausing will actually, so this one is do the spray. It's pretty nice right here, and we're gonna pause. You hold this, so pause. So pushing on this will pause the water. Pause the water. This is nice, right? So pretty cool. Alright, so if you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. This is a pretty cool chicken faucet, and it's gonna be in the link description below in the video if you want to buy it. This is affiliate link, so you guys can buy it on Amazon, and has pretty good rating, about 42,000, 4.8 stars rating in average. So this is pretty good deal if you want to have a kitchen faucet that looks like this, and that is you know, has no problem, good customer service and everything. So really nice. So WEWE kitchen faucet. All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye.